Yoga is a beneficial practice for people of all ages and fitness levels. If you're a beginner, it's important to start with simple poses and gradually build your practice. 1. Mountain pose, Tadasana. This is a foundational standing pose that helps improve posture and balance. 2. Child's pose, Balasana. This gentle resting pose helps to release tension in the back, shoulders, and chest. 3. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. This pose stretches the entire body, particularly the spine, shoulders, and hamstrings. 4. Warrior I, Virabhadrasana I. This standing pose helps strengthen the legs, stretches the chest and shoulders, and 5. Warrior II, Virabhadrasana II. Similar to Warrior I, this pose also strengthens. 6. Tree pose, Virabhadrasana. This balancing pose helps improve focus, stability, and strengthens the legs. 7. Bridge pose, Tadasana. This back bend helps to open the chest, stretch the spine, and strengthen the glutes. 8. Seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana. This pose stretches the back and hamstrings and calms the mind. 9. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. This gentle back bend helps to strengthen the spine and open the chest and shoulders. 10. Corpse pose, Savasana. This final relaxation pose is meant to help relax the body and mind and is typically practiced. When practicing yoga as a beginner, it's important to focus on proper breathing, alignment, and gradual progression. Additionally, listening to your body and not pushing yourself beyond your limits is crucial to avoid injuries. Consider attending a beginner's yoga class or following online tutorials led by certified yoga instructors to ensure you are practicing safely and effectively.